Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, lived a curious young girl named Amelia. She was known for her adventurous spirit and insatiable thirst for knowledge. One day, she heard about a magical faraway land, where the sky was painted with shades of orange and purple every evening. Intrigued, Amelia decided to embark on a journey to this mysterious land. She packed her bag with essential supplies, strapped on her worn-out boots, and set off, leaving the familiarity of her village behind. As she walked along the winding paths, she encountered various obstacles. She crossed rivers, climbed mountains, and navigated through dense forests. Each challenge tested her courage, but Amelia pressed on, fueled by her unwavering determination. One day, as she was crossing a vast desert, Amelia encountered a wise old man. He was sitting under a solitary tree, his eyes twinkling with age and wisdom. He asked Amelia about her journey and listened intently as she shared her dreams of the faraway land. The old man smiled and said, "My dear Amelia, the land you seek is not just a physical place. It is a state of mind, a place where one finds peace, creativity, and understanding. The magic lies within you." Amelia was taken aback. She had been so focused on reaching the faraway land that she hadn't considered the possibility that the magic could be within her. She thanked the old man and continued her journey, her heart filled with newfound determination. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Amelia faced more challenges, but each one taught her something valuable. She learned about resilience, determination, and the beauty of the world around her. Finally, one evening, as she sat by a campfire, Amelia looked up at the sky. It was painted with shades of orange and purple, just like she had imagined. She realized that she had found the faraway land she had been seeking. It wasn't a physical place. It was a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Amelia returned to her village, not as the same curious girl, but as a wise and courageous woman. She shared her experiences with her fellow villagers, inspiring them to embark on their own journeys of self-discovery. And so, the story of Amelia serves as a reminder that the faraway land we seek might be closer than we think. It lies within us, waiting to be discovered through our own journeys of growth and learning.